Hola, ¿qué tal mis amigos? So you want to learn Spanish. For English speakers, learning Spanish shouldn't be too tricky. It has lots of vocabulary in common with English. Spanish is one of the closest languages to English in terms of vocabulary, yet many people struggle to learn it. Wouldn't it be great just to be able to hold conversations in Spanish? Hi, I'm Jan van der A. My friend Lucas Baghetti and I have found a way to learn a language to a conversational level in a matter of weeks. Here's one of our tricks. In order to speak a language well, you need to know thousands and thousands of words. The thing is that in order to just hold simple conversations in the language, knowing a few hundred words and knowing how to use them is often enough. This principle is called the Pareto principle, also known as the 80-20 rule. It basically states that you get 80% of the results from only 20% of the work. This principle can be applied in language learning as well. In Spanish, for example, it's said that you only need to know 2.5% of the vocabulary to speak 95% of the conversational language. Often people ask us how our students can reach a conversational level in Spanish so quickly. Well, there are a few reasons for this, but here is our first secret. In the beginning, we only focus on the 2.5% of the vocabulary that you really need for your first conversations as a beginner. You see, most traditional language courses teach you difficult words and focus too much on grammar in the beginning. Learning words that you're not going to use anytime soon can be frustrating and demotivating. If you want to speak a new language quickly, focusing on the most important vocabulary is a must. Being able to use the words that you learned from the very start gives you the motivation to learn more. And these small achievements are the key to staying motivated and eventually to your success. But how do you know what the most important vocabulary is that you really need as a beginner? We tested tons of learning materials, but we couldn't find any learning materials that really focus on the most important vocabulary. And therefore we have created an intensive boot camp or boost camp for people who want to learn Spanish from scratch. In this boost camp, we hand-selected all important vocabulary that you need for your first conversations. Not only have we selected the most important words, we've also taken into account that you can make lots of combinations with these words. Very soon we will send you the second videos of this series. Make sure you don't miss it because it might completely change your view on language learning. Thanks for watching and see you soon.